YouTube, what's going on? This is JT Black in my garage time. Black in my garage time. Black in my garage time. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome back to the channel. So, all right. So, like I had said before in a past video, that once I finished one group build, I was going to jump into another one. So, tonight I'm going to be jumping into the Lowrider group build hosted by Leon over at Moderler 1589. He's hosting this is the second annual, I believe, um, lowrider group build. And originally, I was going to do two Cadillacs because I was going to build my brother and I was going to build us both a Cadillac, the Fleetwood, the two-door Cadillac. But I'm going to save that for another occasion. So we all know, well, I know, I'm pretty sure a lot of you others know too, that subscribe to Leon's channel and watch his channel. But Leon is a big fan of lowriders. Not only lowriders, he's a big fan of Chevy Impalas. So, 62 Chevy Impala SS is what I chose. I got this kit. I just recently got this kit. I showed it in a Stash Ad video. And I had another Impala. I forgot what year it is. I thought about using that one, but this one was a vert. So I decided to use this. Now, I have never built a lowrider before. I've been wanting to, so now it's my chance. Just like the Mopar for the USAC group build, I have never built a Mopar yet. The only thing I've built was General Motors in Ford. So I'm be doing a Mopar for that USAC. But anyway, this is my first time. This is not my first time building an Impala because I built a red one, but this is my first time to do it lowrider style. So I might be hitting up Leon every now and then, asking him about how to do the suspension, because I do want it to have a little tilt in it somewhere. So I took the plastic off the kit. I have not opened the box at all, so I don't even know what's in it. So let's take a look. So it's a what is that? So a 62 Impala SS 125th scale AMT Ertl kit. That looks similar to the one that I just built, the one I call it Peppermint Vert. And this kit was released in '98, I believe it was. It's skill level 2, so it should be easy. Yeah, it was released in '98. So let's see what we got. 62 Impala, y'all. Now this is not an unboxing video, but we're gonna make it an unboxing video. So we got most of the packs. So we only got 2 bags. I like it when they only come in 2 bags, because a lot of these kits have a bunch of different bags in it. So we're gonna open accordingly, because that's how it was. So there's the X frame onto the floor pans and stuff. So all that is in there: the gas tank, cross member, engine cradle, all that's in there. Well, not the cross member. I don't see the cross member goes here somewhere. That looks like a space for the cross member here. So there's our interior bucket, the carpet. So I saw a couple people use the suede. Man, I forgot who video that was in. I seen the suede. I seen it earlier. And I was supposed to click the link. Oh my God. If you're watching this video and you did the convertible, whatever it was, I forgot what it was, a convertible something, but you put suede across the, you had an Amazon link to where you put an Amazon, I forgot who it was. Please, if you listen to this, comment and let me know so I can go back to that video. I forgot who it was, but they did a really, really nice build, and they put the suede and on the floors for the carpet. And I seen another guy do it a few weeks ago. That was my first time ever seeing it. He built a Mopar, a yellow Mopar with the black interior, and he put the suede on the floor. It was nice. So I think that's what I want to try. So if you're watching this video, please comment and let me know. So we got the door panels. I am so glad. So this is a convertible, so the interior has to be on point. You know, so it's got everything in it, and it is so detailed. I have never seen it that. I mean, I've seen it detailed, but I mean, the way it sticks up, you know, these window cranks, that was not poorly built. They did a good job. That's a light, the rear window, and the front window, and the rear quarter window. I mean, the front quarter window, door latch. And I think this is a thing for the. I don't know if it's AC come out right there, or somebody said what it was once before. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's there. So anyway, there's that steering wheel. I guess this may be an unboxing video because I'm showing everything it's got in it. And the dash. Nice seats. And I was worried about this seat not having this piece here on it, but it does, because on the Peppermint Vert, I put the bare metal foil right here. So that was nice. So I got a plan. I already got a plan for this color. I mean, I already got a color plan for this car. So, oh, that's my son right there, y'all. The romance is not over. Got a lot of love to give. Hey. All right, so I know I can't sing. Y'all ain't got to tell me that. Anyway, exhaust system. There's your rear suspension. There's your firewall radiator system, and your the hood hinges. I know some of y'all probably saying, "Hey JT, you said this wasn't going to be an unboxing video." All right, so here's a nice set of wheels, and they kind of remind me of a set of Supremes. And we got some valve covers here, intake, and maybe a oil pan look like it. Why would an oil pan be that little? But it's on there. There's your rear valance, whatever you want to call it. There's your boot. This looks like a console or something, console lid maybe. Front suspension, we got some manifolds here, springs, and whatever this is supposed to be. We got some wheel backs here. It's a nice kit. Somebody told, so I was listening to I think it was Craig Corner. I was listening to his video. He was talking about, I think I heard him say how much he, liked the old AMT Arnold kits. So I can see why. It's a sturdy kit. There's a set of Steelers. Okay, who video was it I was watching earlier? I know he's going to be watching, but he was looking for a set of Steelers. And if you still need these Steelers, I'll send them to you, because I'm not going to use them for this car. Was it Chris? No, it wasn't Chris. It was my God, man! I saw your video earlier. If you, my memory is kind of bad. I don't want to speak that into existence, but I just don't be remembering. But I remember, I can't think of his name. I know his face. I can't think of his name, but I remember he said he was looking for a set of Steelers, and he was going to look for through his old part box and stuff like that. So if you watching this, let me know I seen these Steelers, okay? Because I'm not going to use them. And there's the Impala hood. There's an engine. I don't know what size engine. I'm going to start learning the size of these engines, but I don't know. I think this is supposed to be a, let's see, a 409 cubic inch V8. So there's the engine. There's another set of valve covers. That's the oil pan right there. There's a set of heads. So it had two sets of let's see. The romance is not over. So you got two sets of valve covers. That one has the Chevy symbols on it, and that one say, I can't make out what it says, but I need to give me some. I need to give me a magnifying glass. So there's all the engine parts or whatever. So rear shock, springs, rad hoses. And this wheel had the original motor in it. There's a front window, double headlights with the quarter window in it. Oh my God, man. Y'all look at this. God dang it. Man. Oh boy. What a deal. That's broke. Well, tell you what. We are in the modeling business, so we just gonna fix it and act like nothing's happened to it. We're gonna put some glue on it, right? I maybe need to put a brace or something up on it to keep it up, but shit, we're gonna make this work. Broke or not. We're gonna remove these, but anyway, there's the body. I wonder how did that break? Man, I hate it. We're gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I gotta put a brace. I gotta glue it and put a brace up or something. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I build stuff. We build stuff, so I'm gonna figure it out. Hang on just a minute. So, so I got the door handles molded into it. But yeah, I gotta figure out how to fix this. I might need to put a brace in here to keep that propped up. You know, run a brace from here to here. Get a piece of styrene and cut it. That way I can keep it. I'll either run a piece from here to here to keep this stretched out. I'm gonna fix it, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so that's the body. So let's see. Man, that sucks. I wonder how it looked like it was cut. Like, who the hell would cut that? Let's see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that'll work. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway, that's another task for me. Trust me, I will get it. I know this kid ain't that old to where it's just gonna be broke. All right, so we got a set of Firestone tires here that I'm not gonna use, and don't look like you'll be able to put a white wall around it either. So, if anybody want these tires, let me know. They can go along with the Stilly. So, man, what is that dude's name? Golly. And I come in on his videos all the time, and I just, man. Anyway, I'm not gonna worry about it. So that says soft top convert 62 SS. Yep. Now, these are the tail lights. Now, I'm gonna have to ask you guys, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, subscribe. This is what I want you to do. Subscribe now, please. And all y'all hit the notification bell so y'all know when I post a video. But sub now, so save 33%. So I'm guessing this was the magazine, I guess. It says 6 issues, $10. Introducing open wheel racers. Three new diecast kits. So back in the day, this is how you used to subscribe to stuff. Just like this. Man, time has gone by so fast. So these are the instructions. I ain't gonna, well, I'll flip through it right quick. It ain't no biggie. Something fell out. Oh, wheel axle. Wheel axle fell out. Oh, is there another one? You know what? I'm beginning to think this kit has been opened before and rewrapped. Anywhere over here. So that's the engine. It's written all over your face. So I don't know if it's got two different engine options or not. Looks like it's got a dual carb setup on it. That's what it looks like. Anyway, there's your chrome, your wheels. Oh, I set that to the side. I didn't even go through that. Suspension, your seats, simple instructions. 18 step, no, 21 step. Damn, okay. 21 step. So let's look at the chrome tree right quick. See what we got in the chrome tree. So we got a mirror, shifter, front and rear bumper, the carb, the air filters, spinners, and the original wheels. So y'all, let's look at that kit. Leon, my boy. This is my entry to your group build. And I will start on this as soon as I get another one out the way. I'll probably have my 50s and 60s done, and that way I can go ahead and jump into this group build. But yeah, so like I said, I chose this kit because Leon, he loves the Impala, so we dress this one up, make it look like a true hopper. I saw some wheels. I'm thinking about, I have a color in mind. I'm thinking about light blue with like a kind of dark blue inside. I've used that color before, or some type of light green. I don't know yet. I was thinking I need to look on YouTube, because I think the 62 Impala was the same Impala that Tupac was in. The yellow Impala Tupac was in on the Live and Die in LA song. So I was thinking about going yellow if that's the same car. I don't know. I have to see. So that's it, y'all. That's my intro video / unboxing video for the 62 Chevy Impala SS. So, if anyone is in Houston, um, the surrounding areas, maybe north side, south side, um, we have that model car meeting, the Hams model car club meeting every second Friday of the month. Um, you're welcome to come. Um, bring something for show and tell. It's a nice little outing. The meetings. We have fun. We all talking and sharing stuff, and they have they pull numbers. For door prizes and stuff like that. So that happens every time. So um, the description for that will be in the bottom of the bottom of the description. Also, the link to Hopping Up Models will be in the description as well. Stop by, see what Mark has. I've ordered a few things here. Well, gift cards here recently, and I see something else I now want to get. But click the link below and check out what Mark has this week. Also, don't forget to stop by MCV Products. Matt, really, really, really nice 3D stuff. Real nice 3D stuff. Y'all seen videos before. I have some Quaker wheels over here. I just painted. That's going to go on the Mopar for the USAC group build. So really, really nice stuff. Following behind that, Joel over there at Iceman Collections. Y'all check him out too, because he got some really, really nice stuff too. I got a cool set of wheels from him for my Jeep build, and I also ordered this little mailbox. It had the decals that go on it. Now I didn't know that the decals were on a whole sheet by itself, that they need to be cut out first. I didn't know that, but I managed to get them out. So cool mailbox, and I got some gas cans from him too. I hadn't done the gas cans yet, but I will. But y'all check out those fellas. And man, this is the end of the week. This is the beginning of a new week. Tomorrow's a work day for me. I don't know how much I'll be able to get done tomorrow. I know I'm going to work on the AC Delco truck, and I'm going to work on my 50s and 60s on Steely's bill. And also, I really, really appreciate everybody that's participating. I'm going to keep this going. Next year is going to be the same thing. I'm going to keep it going. I have some pictures that I'm going to share. I have some pictures that I'm going to share probably in my update video on my 50s and 60s. So, y'all stay tuned. Anyway, man, y'all have a great week. I'll see y'all in the next video. That's it. That's all. I'm out.